Hey there, hope everybody had a great 4th. Now that we're in the middle of July, enjoying summer. Just got a short clip today with some sailing fun. The excitement was I got to fly a new Spinnaker with a great crew. And yeah, we got it up, it filled. Beautiful. Had a little excitement taking it down. Stay tuned. And make sure you smash that subscribe button, because in the future I got a good installation video coming up here with installing a Spectra Ventura 150R water maker. If you like that sneak peek of the install of a Ventura 150R water maker and getting it all neat in that little cabinet, subscribe and look out for the next episodes on the full install video. Here we are coming into Port Ludlow, getting ready to anchor, and yeah, look, Emmy Lou came up for a quick sneak peek. Well, we'll introduce her formally later, but here we are just tying a little snubber. Gonna back down on the anchor, make sure everything's snug. While you're enjoying these great morning views of us leaving Port Ludlow on our way up to the San Juan Islands, I want to introduce what's about to happen. We're gonna raise an asymmetrical Spinnaker on my boat for the first time, and it went up great, flew great, looked beautiful, but we had a bit of a challenge getting it down.
Cool.
July 4th weekend! We just put up Asym for the first time.
And if not,
Birthday boy!
Yeah!
Look what we did.
That's a sweet Spinnaker action. That looks like a window.
wow, that is
Alright, so that was beautiful. The wind died. We were on our way to Susha Island, and when we went to take down the Spinnaker, the halyard was stuck, and no matter how much we pulled on it, that Spinnaker was not coming down. I decided what we needed to do was take the mainsail down, put me in the bosun chair, send me up to the top, and we would go from there.
Me. Alright, let's go! Yep.
One smart thing I did during this adventure was I put some Pixel Bud earbuds in and called another crew member, and she had AirPods in, and so we could talk to each other in a very calm voice and have really great communication, and so that's kind of what you're hearing across the crew here. I learned a lot. We can reflect on it later. Unfortunately, I did put some of the crew in a dangerous position, but I'm glad everybody came out safely, and they all had good wits and were well supported, and we digested it later. So stay safe out there sailing, and fair winds and following seas.